If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Daki hajar ngot ki padba ka riboy ki bai senran ya unang ilam keseng kongres Rahul Gandhi ha ka arpu arterek ukla lengkot ar hajar arpusau ha ka jingya ya ka Bharat Jodo Nya Yatra anong po ak distrik riboy kile shim benta bat kinong ilam jong All India Congress Committee baginong ilam keseng kongres ka jela kila pediang burom Rahul Gandhi nadu na jorabat bat nang ne kile senran ne ka bos ka basyong Rahul Gandhi ban le chenong po ki padba nadu kibarit adu kibahe kelemi iban apa surok bani iyo Rahul Gandhi bat kelakawe aktiu da kejing kemen ba kejing songship haba Rahul Gandhi ulapoi ha ke DTO office hanungpo ulah herna ke bos bat ulah sedang ya kejing ya kejat ha ke bat dihajar not kipat ba kle shim talang ha ke kejing ya kejat adu bandapoi hamadan paham siem bat kat ba kidang ya kejat kelakawe akalama kongres bat pertajam makseng kongres kanikon nega bentagari ban peniateli keri India bat kibai-kibai Onda Rahul Gandhi ulapoi hamadan paham siem ulapan pawe kejing kemen barulai kublei kipat ba kiblei lum hakane kejaka hamadan paham siem hakane kejing lang pat ba le dan lang presiden ke MPCC uba Vincent H Pala ubulang ru MP ke Jela na ke Shillong seat unong elam ke All India Congress Committee Ujai Ram Ramesh ki MLA ki MDC kinong kitkam keseng kongres berkibai-kibai habakran ke kejing lang Rahul Gandhi ulong ba unlong usipai jengki beliau hadeli bandra kejing e jengki dalor kene ula kento ru yu menteri korbari ka sarkar pedeng nak seng BJP ula keno bag sarkar Meghalaya kadai ke bebam Saptam Hakari dari tang hadin kan tukane porpat ke BJP kelalit bane trilang mentau sarkar ha Meghalaya bad ula kento ru bag sarkar pedeng kam shimla pendrung satya ka ketian kasih bad garo ha ke 8th schedule jeng Riti Sensyari Rahul Gandhi ulong bagadan kejing kai be anyu do yong ha kejela bad udom jong ke assembly ru ula kelem
Tahu bien. On the way, Thapti Paiba. I request the ladies to play. Ini snap no e kejingkran. Home Minister dari India Daladehi ulaong baka sarkar Meghalaya kadai ka sarkar ka babam Saptam hapo dari India.
And then immediately after calling the government of Meghalaya the most corrupt, he partnered with it.
Hadir ba ula keno ba kidai ki babam Saptam pang hadir katto kan esni menta uya trailang batki.
There is the illegal coal transport scam, the assembly dome collapse scam.
Kadon kajing kai itu yo do yong bat kadom jong ka assembly ro kalakelon.
These are clear for all of you to see.
Gini kita kisim ki bamani baro ngiyoi kalaki kumat.
Your languages are not included in the 8th schedule. 22 languages are included in the 8th schedule, but your languages, Khasi and Garo, have no room in that.
Kakitin Khasi ba kakitin Garo ki kelempat pendrung haduk mentah hapo ka 8th schedule. Kidon ar teli kitin hapo kari India ki baladon hapo ka 8th schedule.
The structures that we got to protect your land, protect the Adivasis, protect the local forests has been uprooted.
Kilap jingada kundo ban penne ya karti ka dustur ki jongpi hangne ya ki adidasi ya kakitin katolik ki jongpi baro ki sedang ban penjot mentah.
The power of your autonomous councils is snatched away from them.
Kabor jongki district council ki jongi enang penplot sisu iki lakini kabor ka jongki.
So all the work we did in decentralizing power, giving power to the people of Meghalaya is being reversed slowly.
Baro ki bor ki bamangi ila ai kamtam sa Meghalaya ki district council lasdang ban penduk kawai hadin kawai.
These are some of the issues that we want to raise in the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra.
Gini kimat kiba kongsan kiba ngakwa man pensno si kipa iba haga jingya kijat ke jonga ke Bharat Jodo Yatra.
But the most important thing that the Bharat Jodo Yatra is aimed at is talking to you and listening to you.
Henry kiba kham kongsan tam ke thong ke bangabu haga ne ke jingya kijat Bharat Jodo Yatra galong bania kiren mati bat bansna yati.
Understanding the dreams of the youngsters of Meghalaya.
Bansno tu ya ke jing angnot ke jing pos ni jon ki khun samla na Meghalaya.
Understanding the difficulties faced by the farmers of this state.
Bansno tu ya ke jing ba kinong rep na kane ke jalla kimat.
Understanding the potential of the state.
Bani turu ke ka lap ke kabu ke balak ban le kane ke jalla ke jalla.
And most important for me is making a relationship with the people of Meghalaya.
Bat kaba kham kongsan tam na kamenta ke jonga galong bandon ke jingya dei hapdeng jonga bat kipai ba nong son sunong hapo ke jalla
I come here with humility, with respect, and respect towards your culture, your tradition, and I come here to listen and to learn from you.
Ngalawan sene da ke jing snorit ban snap ya pi ban burom ya kariti ke dustur ke jongpi bat ban snap ya ki jingdan kam ki jongpi.
I am not here to tell you my Man Ki Baat. I am here to listen to your Man Ki Baat.
Na klerwan hangne ban pen snow ya ka jing snow ke donut ke jonga Henry ngawan hangne ban snap ya ka jing snow ke donut ke jongpi.
And
Bat ngange ni dei ban thau kalap ke lenti kumno ban pen poi kini ki jing angnut ki jongi hangne hapo Meghalaya.
I want to conclude by saying I am your soldier in Delhi.
Ngakwa ban penkut de ka baong ngadei usipai jongpi hadelhi.
Whatever you need from me in Delhi, I will always try and deliver to you.
Kano ka pidon kam nanga nadelhi ngan persiang ban le kat bangala ban penpoi ya kata ka jing angnut ke jongpi.
And I want to have a loving relationship with the people of Meghalaya.
Ban ngakwa ban don ke jing ya dei ke basno ke basno tunat bat kinom son sinong jong ke jalla Meghalaya.
And that is why I have come here.
Bat dei na takadaw ngalawan sa kane ke cakap.
I'd like to conclude by saying, नफरत के बाजार में मोहब्बत की दुकान खोलनी है.
Ngakwa ban penkut hapdeng ka yau ka hat jong ka jing isi jing pi hun ni dei ban pli ka dukan jong ka jing smotulan.
And I want to leave you with the commitment that we will never ever allow anyone to damage your history, your tradition, your language, your religion, your way of life.
Ngakwa ban ni no nang ni ba ka kular manong ngin ya khun ban penne ya ka history ka jong pi ki kin ki thli ki jong pi ki culture ki jong pi habang ilay nang ni.
Thank you very much. Good night, Shibuna.
Hagakti Nagabandao MP Pala
Dasar tak mau bikin